You just had a tree fall on your car and you're wondering what to do. My name is James. I'm an insurance agent and I specialize in auto insurance. The claim that you're going to process is called a comprehensive claim, and that's on your policy, and hopefully you've taken out comprehensive when it comes to your limits. Some people only take out the basic limits, and that's called PIP and PD, personal injury protection and property damage, but you need comprehensive as your limit in order to claim a loss. That's property damage that is either from a tree or sometimes rocks or anything that would affect the vehicle other than a collision. So again, make sure that you look through your policy, and more importantly, maybe speak with your agent or speak with the company. There's a lot of carriers out there that are very, very good. They've got an 800 number. You could just give them a call, and they'll find out whether or not you have comprehensive. And if you don't, for a little bit of money, you might want to think about adding that to your policy. So again, good luck. My name is James. I'm your agent if you want to give us a call. Thanks.